Okay, so now we're going to connect your domain for Namecheap.com if your domain register is with that company. So let's start again from going to our left-hand side of the menu here. We're going to click on settings. Then we're going to scroll down and look for domains. We're going to click on domains, and then we're going to click on the blue add button, and then we're going to type in our domain. Okay, now the button will automatically turn on for I also want to add www dot, that's just the domain, your domain with the www dot in the front of it as well. So we're going to click on continue, and now it's finding our provider details and setting up our domain. Okay, so we will need to add these records to our Namecheap DNS record list. In order to do that, we'll need to copy our host information and our required values over to the associated records that they have available within Namecheap. All right, so I'm going to bring up Namecheap's DNS records management screen, and then we will proceed from there. All right, so I brought up a screen so you can see the Namecheap.com website. I've logged into my account. So in order to get to your DNS record, you need to go to, you're going to make sure your cursor is over account, and then you're going to click on domain list. This will bring up your list of domains that are inside of Namecheap, and you're going to look for the one that you're trying to connect. This one would be DTS for SMB.com. We're going to click on that and make sure that it's checked, and then we're going to click on the right, the drop down box here next to verify contacts, and we're going to click on manage. All right, so from here we are going to add in our domain information. We're going to click on advanced DNS at the end of this top menu here, and then you can see where you can add in your host records. So from here we're going to click on add new record, and we're going to start with adding our A record. So we're going to click on A record. Our host is the @ symbol. So we want to put @ sorry about that. I clicked on the wrong button here. So let's just try, let's click on this copy right here, just in case you accidentally click on the wrong button like I did. But we're going to copy from 360 where it says, where it has the A record listed here. It's grayed out because you can't copy that, of course. But you need to go to host next to the A record, and we're going to click on these two paper icons here so we can, for the symbolized copy. So we're going to click on copy to copy the @ symbol, the @ symbol for host. And then we're going to go back over to our DNS record list here in Namecheap. We're going to right click to click inside the box to highlight it so we can begin inputting information. We're going to right click and then click paste. And then there's your @ record. So for our IP address, which is what we'll need to enter in here next inside of Namecheap, we're going to go back to 360. We're going to click on that copy button again to copy the IP address that's listed right here. And we're going to go back to Namecheap. Make sure that our cursor is here inside the IP address, and then we're going to right click and paste. And then we're going to click on the check mark here to save the changes. All right, so our A record is now listed in here. So here's our A record. So now we're going to add a new record. So for this, we're going to click, we need to add in our C name next for our next host record. So we need to click on the add new record button here. We're going to scroll down, look for C name record. All right, now we need to enter in our host. We're going to go back to 360. We're going to copy the www. We're going to go back to Namecheap and right click and paste into the host field. Now for our target value, we're going to go back to 360, and for sites, where it says under required value, where it says sites, we're going to copy it like we did before, and then we're going to right click back into target in the Namecheap and then paste it. All right, so there's our value. We're going to click on the green check button to save our changes. Now both of our records are added. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to maximize the screen back again in 360, and then we're going to click on verify records inside 360. All right, so we're going to give it some time to update. Remember, this may take up to 30 seconds to do so. All right, and now our domain has been connected from Namecheap. From here, you can close this box if you have not created your funnel yet or your website within 360. If you have a website or a funnel to connect it to already, you'll just click on this drop down box and then select the website or funnel that you want to attach it to. All right, and we're going to click X here because from this point we won't be connecting it to a website just yet. This is just to just add the domain inside of 360 as of right now.